everyone, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to walk you through two primary ways to check which apps are using your microphone in Windows. Now let's say you suspect an app is using your microphone and you're not really sure. How would you know? The first one is this. Normally there should be a microphone icon in the system tray. For example, I'm using the microphone right now because I'm recording, but as you can see over here, you can see it says there my recorder is using my microphone. So the microphone icon has appeared here in the Windows tray. That's how it's supposed to be. Now when an app is actively using your microphone, the microphone icon will appear, like I said, in the system tray, also known as notification area, in the bottom right corner of your screen. That is this place over here I showed you earlier. This is the microphone showing, which shows that I'm actively using the microphone. Now if you want to identify the app, simply hover your mouse cursor over the microphone icon and a tooltip will appear displaying the name of the app currently using the microphone. If multiple apps are using it, they'll be listed. So this is what I did here, and showing me that Fine Screen Recorder is using my microphone. You can see that. Next thing you can do is you can go to the Windows settings by pressing down the keyboard and the I to open up your Windows settings here, and then from here you have to click on Privacy and Security. Navigate to Privacy and Security and click on it. Now here we go. Click on it. Mine says Privacy. Then from here you can simply just click on Permissions, App Permissions. But you can see mine, I don't actually need to do that. I need to click on App Permissions. Just right here, App Permissions is written here. Right under it I can see Microphone. So I click on Microphone, and then you can see allow apps to use microphone is on. Then if an app is using your microphone, you see this icon like we said earlier, and then you can see the apps that have access to your microphone. Then you can now see the apps that last access to your microphone. Now you can see recent activities here. Let me show it to you again. So this is microphone access. Allow apps to use microphone access. Choose which Microsoft Store apps can access your microphone, and then you can see the names of the apps that last used your microphone. Last used your microphone. Then you look here, you see the recent apps. You can see currently in use. So that's it. You can see it's currently in use. It's written right there. It's telling you. Now, all these are apps that use your microphones within the last 7 days, along with the date and time of each access. You can see the date and time. See, last access, camera last access is 2nd of January. You can see, and the time also is written right there. So that's it. You can see this one too. Last access, the date, the time. You can see it all. You can see this one, CapCut last access, the date, the time. So in case they don't appear in this list, you can quickly search for them. Now, additional tip: if you see an app you don't recognize or trust using your microphone, investigate further. You might want to uninstall it or adjust its permissions. It means it's a suspicious app, so be careful. Next, you can manage your app permissions in the microphone settings. You can control which apps have permission to access your microphone. You can toggle the switch for individual apps to allow or deny access. Like now, these are the apps. Here are the apps. I can decide to sort them by name or last used and decide to turn them off. Like this one, I can decide to turn it on if I want to be able to use my microphone, or turn it off. Turn it off, you can see. So that's it. I can do that. So you can also control which app has permission by toggling the switch for individual apps to allow or deny access. So if you do not want any app to use your microphone, you can simply turn it off right here. By using these methods, you can easily monitor which apps are using your microphone and take appropriate action to protect your privacy. I believe you found this video helpful. So please do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you can get more videos from us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.